What's up, everybody? Today we are headed to RR Racing for their spring opener. I've never been there before, so I'm pretty excited to check out the facility and see a bunch of other performance Lexus vehicles. Let's check it out. Alright, so we left the RR Racing spring opener. It was awesome. A ton of Lexus F cars, as well as 250s, 350s, and even some other stuff. It was a fun time. Got to meet a couple people and subscribers, so thanks for saying hey. I also met up with one of my Instagram followers and snagged some stock wheels that I'll be refinishing, kind of just to have as winter wheels for the car, and just back up because I don't even have a spare that's the same dimensions as my option lab wheels, so that'll be nice to have. All in all, it was a great day. I'm glad I got to come out and film some stuff. If this is your first time on Marty Motoring, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, leave a little rubber on the road.